broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit card.
Hey, master girls and master boys. In this video, I will show you like 7 ways that you can solve the problem with the feed, because you can update the feed. Sometimes happen that you go to Instagram and say that you can update the feed. Don't worry for this, I will show you. So the first step is to check if you have a really good connection to internet, or if your internet, this one that you have, is working. So for this, we will go to make a search in Google, like any search. For example, this one, and if this this goes, that's mean that we have a good internet and that is working. We even can use this one app to see how fast is going our internet, but it's okay. If Google make a search, that means that we have internet. So the second step is we will go to App Store to see if there are new updates. Sometimes when there are new updates, can happen that show you this, like that you cannot update the feed on Instagram. So what you will do is go to App Store and you will go to the app Instagram. You will press here, say open, but you will touch to press, and here there are no updates. That means that you already have update. And if you go to historical of version, you will find here that show you when was the last update. For example, 1 week ago. Here show you 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, and the last version is 192.0. That means that we have the last version. So if you check this and like you have the last version, don't worry, I have another options. So third step that you will do is go to delete the cache. We will go to the app. For example, here we go, and we will delete the app. That means that we'll delete all this trash that has this app that is not using. Don't worry, make delete, because this is the third step to like fix this about that Instagram don't work really good. So continue here. We will make the fourth step, the 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4, and is to delete the app. We will delete the app because like this cache that we already delete will start working. So that will make you download the last version of this application. So this is the fourth step. So number 5 is you will go to Google and you will find here does Instagram for today fail today? Oh, I don't know how to write for something like this, fail. And here you will find this application that you can download to see when Instagram is like, if Instagram fall. That means that if the problem that you have is your problem of your Instagram, or if the problem is about this company. This is like the step number 5. Now we will go to the step number 6, and is this work just for all those people who has Android. We will go to these places that I show you in one video like this here, and is like I show you how to download from different places the last update of Instagram. You can use Aptoide, Happy Mood. You can use another one like APK Pure, APK Mirror, where they give you the last update of this app. A lot, because it's like in this step what we will do is go to Instagram from since our PC. So what we will do is go to Instagram in Chrome. So first of all, I have to explain you something. When you will go to Google Chrome, you will see that there are like something that say that because you break one law of YouTube, you do something bad, they like put you this, and they are like telling you that you cannot comment, that you cannot post nada, cause you make a mistake, like you make some problems. I will let you something, and like this you will understand what have to appear. Something like this, but in Instagram, in Chrome, something like this will appear, and what you have to do is just to press accept. So actually, it's something, the step number 7 is something really easy. What you're going to do is first of all, go to your computer. So after this, you have to have internet, and after this, you will go to search Google Chrome. No another like searcher, no another, for example, don't use like another, I don't know how to say this, pero is Chrome, Google you have to use. After this, you will go to Instagram, and will appear something that I show you before, and what you have to do is just press like accept, and this will allow you to make or to use Instagram normally. This is what you have to do. So this is everything for this video. This was the step number 7. I really hope that this last step help you, because it's like this that I'm looking for, that everything that I'm like trying to show you here help you. So also I want to invite you to give a like to this video, and like this I can know that you like this kind of video. You can follow me, I mean subscribe to this channel, and we will see each other in another video. And thank you really much. And remember another thing, if you don't understand something, just let me know in the comments, because sometimes I can be a little bit confused, because I'm not from English talker, I'm not like English, I'm one person who learn English and is trying to explain this kind of video. I really hope you understand. Thank you really much, and see you in the next.